안녕하세요 여러분. This is Anthony Gersoniba, vlogger South Korea. So ngayon guys, episode number 4 ng Pastor Pattern for Memorizing Vocabs. Okay? So ang keyword naman natin ngayon ay yung Q. Okay, Q. So dito, this syllable is related to school or education or teaching. Okay? So number 1, itong Hakyo. So, school. Okay. Number 2, Kyuyuk, education. Okay. So, sa mga gustong kumuha ng copy guys, mag-message lang po ulit kayo. So, number 3, Kyushil, classroom. Number 4, Gyuche, textbook. Number 5, Gyusu, professor. Number 6, Gyutong. Gyutong ay transportation. Number 7, Gyudoso, prison. Number 8, Kiwi, church. Number 10, Gyuyukcha, educator. And number 9, Gyuyukcha. Number 10, Gyuyun, lesson. And then 11, Gyujong, school, campus, or correction. Number 12 is yung Gyusa, teacher. 13, Gyubok, school uniform. 14, Gyumok, bishop or yung pastor. And then 15, Gyuwan, exchange. 16, Gyuja, intersection or crossing. 17, Gyuri, doctrine. 18, Gyudan, religious denomination. 19, Gyumun, school gate. 20, Gyukam, vice principal. 21, Gyusupop, teaching method. Gyusi, itong Gyushi ay class period. Gyuyuk Kwajong, curriculum. 24, Tehakyo, college. 25, Chudong Hakyo, elementary. 26, Kudong Hakyo, high school. So yan guys yung ating vocabularies na related dito sa Q. Okay? So, para mas mapadali nating ma-memorize or mapamiliarize yung mga vocabularies. Okay? So, hanggang dyan lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you and God bless.